This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Georgine Surson. Spectacular Lake Arrowhead Golf Course home west/deeded lake access. Pride of ownership is evident in this one owner, custom built, 2,717 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, ranch home west/walkout LL set off the road on a private wooded low-maintenance landscape lot on the Pines Golf Course. This custom-designed home has 7 south-facing rooms west/expansive views of the private backyard and golf course. No detail was missed. The open floor plan is great for entertaining and features a great room west/vaulted ceilings, wood floors, and dry bar, inviting dining area, chef-pleasing kitchen west/breakfast bar, 39 inches upper cabinets, and pantry, 4 roomy bedroom incorporated a master suite, first floor laundry, walkout LL west/expansive views. Attached 4-car garage, tandem.